how to log in to WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So if you want to log into your WhatsApp on your PC or laptop, then first you need to install the application. And once you've installed the application, you need to open up your application. And now click on Get Started. And now what you have to do is you need to simply go for your mobile. Open up your mobile device, and then you need to open up your WhatsApp application on your mobile. And go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and now go for linked devices. Tap on that and then tap on link a device, and now verify. And now you need to scan this QR code, which is on your PC or laptop. And once you've scanned, now it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.